Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss problem and the name of the
Problem is pattern 9. Okay, so for this problem what we need to do is, actually the problem says we need to print a pattern like this. For example, firstly we need to take an input for n, and for that n we need to print a pattern like this. So what kind of pattern is this? Can we visualize this pattern? Let's see a test case. For example, if we have a value of n is 5, for example, we have given a test case where the value of n is 5, and for this 5 we need to print a pattern. Okay, so for visualizing this pattern, I'm giving you a case like, let we consider a matrix of size 5 cross 5. Let's we draw it. 1 2 3 4 है 5 having elements 1 2 3 4 5, again 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 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the matrix which we are having the size of 5 cross 5. Okay, so what does the pattern looks like? This pattern looks like that we are taking the diagonal of that matrix. Like you can visualize it from here. For example, what are the diagonal of this matrix? That is 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the diagonals of this matrix. And if I'll talk about the, actually we all know each matrix have two diagonal. That is, first one is this one diagonal, second one is this one diagonal. Okay, so if this matrix having this diagonal, then it also must have a this one. So let's take this one also. So here we have found the solution that we need to print the diagonal. Then how we are going to approach toward this problem? Actually, if these are the diagonals of the matrix, then how we can do this? We always know that is, if let's consider this matrix having having m cross n size, like the rows in this matrix and column in this matrix are also equal. So this is I have drawn a matrix that is 1 2 3 4 5. So is this element is the element, can I say this is the element which is having I is also equals to 1, or j is also equals to 1? J means it is the element which is having row as well as column as well as 1. Again with this same, row as well as column as well as both are 2, as well as in this 3 both are 3, as well as in this 4 both are 3, having third row third column. This element is what, fourth row. This at this 3 is having, this 3 is what, having at the third row and at the third column. What about this 4? This 4 is at fourth row, fourth row and fourth column. So you can say we got to know about this diagonal. If we need to print this diagonal, then what we need to do is we need to run a condition that if I is equals to j, then we'll print the star, because either here instead of 1 2 3 we need to print star. Okay, so we'll print that. And again, what about this one? So you can you can see it from here. That is, this diagonal is what, actually this is what, if I say that is, if I plus j is equals to n plus 1, then it is my right diagonal. What I'm saying, why I'm saying this? Why? Because here the value of jth is this, it is fifth column, and 5 plus I, that is equals to 6, and which is again equals to n plus, because the n size of the matrix is 5, that is equals to n plus 1. Again I printed that star, and again in for this star, what is the value? This will be 4 plus 2. So for this it will work, and here it will work for 3 plus 3 3 and 3, and here it will work for what? Here it is the second, here it is the fourth row and the second column. Then 4 plus 2 again is equal to 6, so it will print on this value. So this is the simple approach we need to do in a code section. So let's move on toward the code part. Firstly, I need to take input for n, so I'm taking that input. So I have taken input for this value, and after this what I need to do is, that is, I need to run a loop for those 5 lines. I mean till n size I need to print something, or what I need to print this, I need to print j, and in this j what I need to print. So let me do this fast. J equals to n and j plus plus. In this j, what I'm going to, when I'm going to print is, I'll write a condition. If, that is what, if I is equals to j, or what, if I is equals to j, when I have to print the star, if either I equals to j, either I plus j, that is I plus j is equals to n plus 1. If in any of the condition will satisfy, then we have to print the value of then we have to print star. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing. What I'm printing is, that is what, star. So I'm printing star here. Okay, so after printing that, what I'm doing is, that is what, if I'm done with the first line, then I need to switch the line. So for that, what I need to do is, I just simply make it like system.out. I just make it new line, print ln. So I'm done with this, but let's run this code. I hope this will work fine. So there's an issue with this. What is the issue? Then running this, if I is equal to j, I'll just print star t. Yeah, that is fine. If I is equal to j, or I plus j is equals to n plus 1. Why it's not working? In the else part, I'll simply print spaces. Oh, basically there is a mistake with that. Yeah, this one. This is fine. This is also fine. Let's run it again. Oh, semicolon needed. Let's put it. System. Okay, system.out. Okay, I just system.out.print. It's showing TLE. Oh shit. So it was a silly one mistake actually. Here I need to make it as J++, and that's the mistake what I was doing there. So it worked now. So let's submit this code. I instead of making it I++, I'm making it J+. Instead of here making it J++, I'm making it I++. So that was a mistake. So don't be worry about that. It's a silly one mistake. Let's submit that again. Yeah, it got submitted. I hope you like the solution. If you like the solution, please hit the like button. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.